Hello guys, now I will show you a really short video. If you have a problem with your Windows update, if you not work your update, I pause my update as you see, and if you have update and will not to update to work, you just have to do this and it will work 100%. You don't need to go to CMD or whatever. Just go to your PC, open PC and on your local C drive and Windows, and just scroll down until you see the software distribution. It's really specific, but it's true. Just open software distribution. You can delete all that, but just go to download section and check it all and erase all that file and empty recycle bin. Maybe I didn't know. Yes, it's everything okay. And restart your PC or restart your Windows Explorer, go to Task Manager, and then try, and will be everything will be work, and just go and update your PC, your Windows on version what you want. So that will be all for now in this tutorial. Thank you for watching and bye.